Okay, so welcome back. Sorry for the thing was they like how would I put it? It wasn't I was interrupted. So this is just like the different tools you get. So now you can use this one, but normally I don't like this editor is not the real editor. Let me see. Okay, first of all, let's finish with this one. I'll put the good editor that you can use and create more paragraph that will make your work more easier, more simple, that will make your work good and for search engines to optimize your work well. Because normally when we read something, Google robots that come into every website because every website robots must store it. So robots that come inside we want to like understand what your website is all about. So if you don't arrange it on these headings, if you don't arrange your words on heading, then that means you are not going anywhere. Except maybe you just don't want to, you don't give a damn about robots and you create your own audience by yourself, your own human being audience by yourself. Just like the way I'm trying to build my own audience by myself. You get. So I don't give a damn about robots. I don't even mind if I will class my heading on introduction on class my articles on heading like this, just like this. So as you can see, heading 1 is the biggest, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. This pre-formatted is just like if you want to write something about code, if you know code, you want to write code and you want it to be normal for the person, so you can just come here and then write all those long story code things that all these people used to write. um, Coders, website coders. For example, now this is the message you get. This is the message. Let me delete this one because I use that one to try to make you understand. You don't need to put 1.1. If you want to put 1.1 top, it's your own problem. But you don't need to put it. This is just to make robots understand. So please, when you come, make sure that you choose what your categories. So when you put it under marriage now, on your website it will come under this marriage, but if you don't put it under, if you don't choose your category here, then that means it will not come under here. You won't get it here, it won't be there. So you will see that at the end of the day you publish content. Since I do not put on categorize, maybe you might see it at this home page. You understand? You might see it here. You might see it here, but you are not going to like you are not going to see it in your under your categories. Maybe someone come out, oh, let me see her post on female scripture studies. She click here. Once any post, you get once there is any post here, they will put it. And just ignore these resources. This one is just like what they are searching. Maybe for example, let me add it to marriage, and then you click here, click publish. So if you want to like add music into your website, you can come here, add media. Let me leave this one first. Let me leave this one. I want to use the block editor, the editor to teach you that one because I'll change it. The next time we will come back to you, this place won't be like this again. You will understand what I'm doing. So back to marriage. So you have click on category, make this post go under marriage. That is how it is. So you can come here, maybe you can choose your tag and then maybe say first commandment of well, this ones don't need to tag it, so your own website is not that broad. If it is us now that we are doing music, sports, so we need to tag them. Like if this one will tag it under music, or maybe you can tag it marriage. You get, just tag it marriage, so that when person come they say okay. And make sure if you want to tag another one, maybe marriage, and then you featured a top evangelist on your marriage and on your content. So I just say marriage, and then let's say the evangelist name is Adam. You use Adam. Make sure you use comma. This one doesn't really. It says if you just click on add here, then use Adam, and then add. That is how this editor does. So I told you I want to change this editor. So for example, I've added all these two tags now. You come here, you click on publish. It will publish the, as you can see, it's loading. Your post is now published. View post. You come here and click on marriage. You see that that post will come under here. Look at it. Marriage is a commandment from God. So I put this introduction. The first commandment of God to human was going into the world and multiply. So these are all the things that was here. So they are giving them preview. They can continue reading. As you can see, we found more resources. How many posts we post on site there? And continue reading. This is just this picture I added here was it's just advertisements when I was trying to, if you maybe you have advertisement, maybe codes are now or redeem, they contact you, this post, your website is about gospel, we have this gospel something coming up, post, you now charge them, okay, I'll collect 20,000 for advertising it to my audience. You say no problem, just post it for me. So that is when you do it. This one I just use it to test the advertisement, this thing. So but I'll remove it anyway. So if in case of you have advertisement you want to do, you contact me, let me do it for you, because that one is like deep. So that one is deep. We need to know the basic things first. So as you can see, go you into the word and multiply. This is how it was here. So as you can see here, it is now here. Now if you click on home, let's see, you will put it there. It is here. Marriage is a commandment from God. So I've shown you how to do it. So let me change this editor now, because I don't like this editor. This editor is old. Let me change it. Let's put the new one, block editors. Let me deactivate the editor. Let me put block editor. I don't, or sometimes this is classic editor, but we need the blocks. That blocks one makes sense. Let's come here to, this one is plugins. You don't need to, or well, you need to know this one, but it's not now. In case of you want to do something next time, then I will show you, but for now we need the real one. So this was the editor we just removed. So you can come here, like for example, just take notes, come to plugin, come to add new. You want to add new plugin and search for any plugins. Some plugins are sold, some are just free. So this is it, block editors, block editor should come up. Let's look at post edit. So if you come up with block editor, let's see what this will do. It's actually not coming up because there is no editor there. Let's go back to let's go back and add that block editor there. So you can't edit posts without blocks. So this should be it. And Gutenberg. Some people they say they call it Gutenberg and Gutenberg blocks. And this is the real blocks. Yeah, this is it. Welcome to the block editor. And then these are all the things. This is it, block editor. Next. Get started. So this is like the best, and because you have created this thing, because you have created this turn on classic editor, we won't really see the big. No, so let me just delete this one. Let me copy all these things. Let me copy these things, Ctrl+C, and then look at these settings. Look at this settings. Okay, let me do here. Come to post, all post. And then add new post. Or you can easily come here, click on that plus sign, just like the way I told you. Come here, click on the plus sign, and then do what you want to do. So this tutorial should come up. I don't know, my website, my network is very slow now. Okay, this is it. All these ones are just are the former one we did. Okay, this one doesn't really enable download button. Yes, you can download this post into if you want people to download it, but don't put download because that is enable sidebar. Yes, post style, start by code, and then optimization. Okay, this will be don't bother about this one. I don't normally use all these things. So this is it. Yeah, as you can see, this one is in blocks. It's not like that former one. This is the best. It's not like that former one. Or in case of you, if you are new to WordPress, that will be more easy to you. But it's better, it's best you become an expert on this one. It's not hard. It's still the same thing. So let me show you how to format it sometime. Look at this one. You click on this three dots line, more tools and option. You make it top toolbar so that it will bring this toolbar for you. It will bring these toolbars here. Just where my cursor is. It will bring this one. Then remove it from full screen mode so that you not cover the entire screen. Remove it from full screen mode. As you can see, it's back to at least a little bit normal. So this one is block 1, block 2. So as you can see, you can easily, this is first block, second block, two block. All these blocks are otherwise known as paragraph. You get, so maybe in this first one you can put introduction here, introduction, and then you can change it to that how will I put it, to that heading 2. Look at it here, headings. You look at where I click this stuff here, heading, headings, and then as you can see, this is the heading 2. And normally why I didn't use heading 1 is because heading 1 is for this heading 1 here is for this title already, so there's no need for you to use heading 1 again. So you need to use heading 2. Try to understand, we are bringing it according to as if you are writing a book, as if you are reading book. So that is the way Google will try to like understand you. Try to understand, okay, look at what this person is saying. If you come to that edit as where is it, if you come to here, click on edit as HTML, you'll see that this is coding. Google understand this code, but you now you will be seeing it with visually. So you understand this, but Google understand the other one. Search engine will does understand that other one. So it's better you just choose your own in blocks, and then maybe in this place you write that in. Let me go to your site again. So let's pick it as the marriage under category is marriage, as in this stuff now is under, this post is under marriage. So this is it, and then you can choose this one. As you can see, make it what, the second block, that is your first paragraph, and then maybe the second paragraph is this 1.1, which we made what, that is the heading. Each blocks is used for one formatting. So if you press on your enter key, it will create another block for you. The enter key, as if you are creating paragraph when typing messages. So you change this one to heading 3. You understand? Subheading of this one. So that is how it is. And then that is all about the same formatting of that one. You can see this one is even more simple and is even more cool. You get, this one is more cool and is more okay than that other former one. So this is if you wanted to share your articles. Let me quickly change your permalink because I'm seeing this 2022, this date on your links is not okay. Let me quickly change it now. So we are supposed to change this thing since. Let me quickly change it because it's not good. The plugin I told I wanted to add, so should have added this thing. So I don't think I update here to the system again. I'll move that one update later. So let's quickly go back. I'll do this one later. So that is I'll do this one later. I'll add the files. So you go to app, where is it? Settings, permalink. You don't want your this thing to be showing date and name just like this. You want it to be showing post name, which is this one, the best. This is just like the best. So you click on save. So it's even better I structure your permalink like this, because if not, it's not good for your SEO. And that one, it take me a long time to learn it, and it really affected my posts then. So this is that about that. So you can change the color of this thing to maybe red, blue, just like it's red. You can change the color anyhow you want. This is drop cap. The first letter will be big. Just design anything you want to design, do anything you want to do. So this is like your text. This is like your text size. You can come here. This is the normal one. You can come here medium. It's at least more bigger, but it's not heading. You get. So you can change the size here to maybe like 25. The more you do, the more it's big. And reduce the size to maybe 10, just like how you can see the formatting, leave it on default, so you cannot changing it. So these are just to format your blocks: first block, second block, third block, fourth block. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are just formatting your blocks, and then you can come here document. This is what we really work on. So you can leave this one, you can stick this post. For example, you have a feature post like, hey, this is also thing, I want everybody that come on my website to read this message. This message is very, very interesting. I want everybody to go home with this message. If you come to my website, read this blog post that I'm posting. So you can just click on tick to the top of the blog. Anyhow you post, that post will always, if you click on this tick now and then come to your website, the post will always be number one. Now you see it big here, then maybe on any other post you go to be coming under, but that one will always be there. So you get. Now this is the permalink, just like what we structured. It will change to this: marriage is a commandment from God. This is the category. You see this one category is different from that other one. You put it under marriage also, and then make sure not to create two posts at the same time, because it will kill your. This one is one of my own tag. Let's say marriage, yeah, is a tag. Let's say Adam is a tag, or let's say if, and you make sure you use comma. I just click on, I press comma now to choose another post. So picture image, this is the image, just like this one, that this dog now is the image here. That is the image that will come up from your post. So these are just your other things. This one is just something I added, and maybe you needed this rabbit or this guy or this woman or anything here. These are just pictures that come together with the team, or you don't need it. You can come here, upload files, click on select files, and then you see files from your what, from your system. If you are using system, if you are using phone, you see the file from your phone. These are just some of the posts. If you go to my website now, you see this picture as a post, you see this one. So you click on any place you want to download, you understand. So even though you want to upload, this is a video, you want to upload video, anything at all is media, as far as file, you can upload it there. So let's come to desktop, and maybe I want to use this smiling lady, here as a post. I'll click on open. Okay, this is GTF, it doesn't work. Okay, no problem. Let me use this one. Good. That one, this one is JPEG, JPG, so it works. And then this is it. As you can see. Maybe for example, this is my picture image. I can click on settings, has turned to my featured image. So this is just it about that one. And later on, I'm going to teach you SEO, a little bit of SEO. It's not everything anyway because SEO is a broad course. This thing about I want to tell you, I'll teach you. That one is broad, like really broad. You need to be paying people to be doing it for you. Really, but I can teach you the few basic things, and that one can make you, at least know about some little things, know some basic little things like that. So I've click on this marriage there, and that is the plugin I told you I was going to upload, that SEO plugin. So I will teach you a little bit when I upload it later. So this is marriage, and then you click on your publish to publish it, and click on publish to publish it immediately. So that is it. So when you come here and refresh, you see that post is here already. You can see by you, I think that the post is there already. So you click on it just like the image here. Look at it here, and then just like this dog, I told you it was advertisement, so don't bother yourself. This is, as you can see, there's no date here, 2020, just like the former one, and you can put your this thing here, your biography. Just click on come here, click on edit profile, so that I can add your biography. Anything you post, it will upload there. So this is your biography info. Maybe I am the founder. I am the founder. I am the founder of Lineage of Grace LOG. I use this platform to bring people together. Let's say people together and share the word of God in females. And this is just the females life. This is just anything. And then you come here. Let me install Avatar for you so that you use it as you can put your pictures there. This is it. I've updated it. So let's go to your website now and refresh. Let's see if your bell will come up on that place. As you can see, this theme, I love the theme. It's very is friendly. As you can see, this thing here has come under. You get so when people read your post, they're like, this post is too good. Who wrote it? When they see you as the actor, as the author, they know that yes, wow, look at, you can change the images of these things, the colors if you let me know. Once you want to change the color, you give me your features color. So if you click on your name, you say Mopelola Aroro Safi has what?
Was there light yesterday? Or is like light yesterday?
Yeah, there was light last.
Yesterday.
Yes. So sorry, I need to thank you so much. So this is it. Marriage is a commandment from God. So this was the first one. You can easily come here and delete this one since you don't need it anymore. And this thing doesn't support this one at the front end. So anybody can come here, post the comment that you need to post. So let me add that other plugin, Avatar plugin, so that you can quickly put plugin you want to use. Okay. So this is it. So I've installed that plugin, Avatar, and activated it. So we can easily come here, click on settings, that is under your plugin. So you just come here, click on Avatar. All these ones, you don't need to work on this. So I said you want to they said you want to format some kind of thing. These are allow contributors, like you have people that are registering on your website and you want them to like upload their avatar too, but that doesn't matter. You can come here and then for users without, okay, leave this one. So this one is just to set it up. Come to here, click on edit profile, scroll down, you see avatar here. So you can choose your image. Let's say I want to use this one as the image. You update your profile, wait for it a little bit. You can see it is updated here, and sometimes your website will take long to update sometimes. So this is it. As the admin is your picture now, you will see your picture here. You understand? So you can set all these things by yourself if you want to. Yeah, you can see your pictures here. So if you want to add um let's go back. If you want to add, let me say, video, audio, you can come here, click on this plus. Oh, this one is add blocks. Ah, yeah, is okay. You can click on here, click on. You want to add many gallery, like many photos that people can scroll on the website. You want to add audio, people can download this audio. You can come here, upload. Let's say, for instance, I upload. Let me go to my profile. Let me go to the profile. Put all these things. In the moment is not here, so let's go back. I was searching for one particular cool is good. This is it. Something I love this thing. So they can come here, easily click on here and then download it. This is for me video. Now if you want to add video, it's still the same thing. This is it, video. Click on here, click upload, and then let's see. Let's click on this one. Let's click on this prophet. The guy is just, you know, this Ndabuski guy. So he just like prophesy about the comings of this of he just prophesied about this how will I put it, click on update. So always update. Maybe you make options on this place. You just click on update to update, and then you come here, click on marriage to give you your what, your post. Click on it. You can see the things are changing, and then you see if you click on this play now, it is going to play that song. That I don't know, maybe you might be hearing it now. Maybe you might be hearing it now. So maybe I don't know, maybe you might be hearing it now. So this is just someone can easily click here, click on that. Someone download it to the website.
This year is a year party fight party. Yeah. Trouble upon trouble, case upon case, gone upon gone. I see where there's someone coffee. Like even about this is it coffee? Eh?
Make sure any post you write, make sure to always do what, choose the category. For example, now I'm not saying those stuff. If you come in if you're in a situation whereby you don't see those things that you can format cells, you can click on these settings. It will bring them back. Then click on documents, change the categories. I can make, okay, maybe this what I wrote is just our trending issues. You can update it. So you click on the trending issue. Once you come to this place and refresh trending issue, you will still see the same post under it because it's like trending issues there. But if I remove it now and click on update, make sure you always update any changes. Click on update. If I click this trending issues, I'm not going to find any post there because it's not under the category. So that is how to add posts to different, all these are different things. So any question, these are just the basic things. Anything you want to do, you let me know. That is all. As in, apart from posting and maybe any other thing you just want to do, you just let me know. That is that about that. So thank you.